Hey traders, it's Timo Urban. Welcome to our Forex Trading channel. So today guys, this is what I'm gonna be showing you. It's gonna be very unique, very amazing. Bear with me. I'm gonna show you 4 different amazing pair, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna be using our dashboard. The dashboard will give you a step of what the market is gonna do before you do your top analysis, but we're gonna be using a multi time frame analysis on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you GBPUSD, I'm gonna show you GBPJPY, I'm gonna tell you exactly what to look on GBPJPY. I'm gonna tell you exactly what to look on EURUSD, and one of the trade that a lot of traders trade around the world, guys, that is gold. So today guys, this is the way that we're gonna do it. As we all know, support and resistance level are essential too for trading, for successful trading, to be honest. They provide valuable insight into the market trend to help us make an informed decision, but there is a catch. Support and resistance alone are not enough. To truly master this concept, you need to apply the secret technique that I'm gonna show you today. So let's go. Let me show you the very first pair that I'm gonna show you guys. The very first pair that I'm gonna show you today is going to be GBPUSD. Boom! Look at what GBPUSD is gonna do, guys. Remember what I said. I'm gonna show you step by step exactly what the market is gonna do. This is what you need to do. So I don't want to show you real data yet. I'm gonna give you a little education on how you're gonna be learning the system. Okay, so first thing what you need to pay attention is always pay attention to the larger time frame, guys. No matter what you're gonna be doing on the forex trading market, guys, on any market, you need to look at the market from far away. By looking into the larger time frame will manage the trading chart, will give you the hint of what's going on the smaller time frame. So the daily and 4 hours on this example here is letting us know the market here is going where? It's going bullish. That's all we know. So the next step we need to be looking, guys, is we need to be looking for a multiple time frame to align up with our TW sniper entry. The TW sniper entry is gonna give you the signal, and it's gonna tell you the market is in a sell or it is in a buy. So if you pay attention here, we have a signal that is showing us the market, it is going in a buy trend. When the market is in a buy trend, we are gonna be getting these stairs here, letting us know the market is only going up. That's the original trend. When the trend is bearish, your stairs gonna turn red, and the candles are gonna turn red as well. So it's that simple. Now pay close attention to the dashboard. The dashboard is letting us know ahead of time. Hey Irvin, the 4 hours and daily time frame on GBPUSD is going bullish. Bullish means up. It's going up. What are you gonna do, guys? This week, guys, the market is gonna be freaking amazing. Okay, now let me show you what GBPUSD is gonna do, guys. So all we know is it's in a buy trend. Now let's move on to real data, real time, because that's what you are here for. Look at the analysis. I already did the analysis. Let me look at here in the past. This is past. It's no longer valid. But look at here. Multiple time frames showed up. TW sniper entry showed up, letting you know the market is in a sell position. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Market here was bearish. Now this is a brand new week, guys. Time to make money this coming week. Look at here. Look at the multiple time frame. Boom, going bullish. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom, going bullish. Look at the stairs, guys. The stair is just freaking forming, guys. Look at what the trend is doing. The trend right now is bullish. That's why the dashboard is telling you, is giving you an indication. Hey, we are gonna be bullish on this coming week, guys. Now, this is my analysis for this week, guys. Market here is doing a small retracement. Remember, the trend is bullish. Market is doing a small retracement, retesting your 38 to your 23 Fibonacci level. Why this level? Look at here. Here's previous support and resistance. Look at all these touches here. Boom, 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 boom. So this is gonna be a key level between your 38 to your 23. From there, market will continue going up, retesting your 50 to your 61 golden area on your Fibonacci level. Then from there, market will make a small retracement and the week is over. Even the RSI, guys, look at other RSI. Look at here. Boom, here's your entry. Here's your second entry. Look at that. Boom, look at that. Everything is telling us the trend here. It is bullish on GBPUSD. It's just doing a pullback at this time. Please, guys, be careful, be careful, be careful. Remember one thing, guys, this is a disclaimer. Do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business is very risky. I'm just giving you educational video. If you want me to teach you how to trade, let me know. The link is in the description of this video. For $9.99, we will be sitting behind scene and wrestling the market. All right, let me show you the next pair. The next pair that is gonna amaze you this week, guys, is going to be GBPJPY. Boom! Pay close attention, guys. What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention? Can someone type in the comment, guys? What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention? That is your dashboard. Look at the dashboard, guy. Look at here. Weekly, daily, 4 hours. Everything is telling you on GBPJPY is telling you the market, it is going up. That's it. Look at, we already got the answer. We have not seen the real data, because guys, I really want you to master this business, guys. I really want you to master. Share this video, guys, with all the fellow traders if you want to, but everyone needs to be eating well the month of June. So we are trading the month of June already. So May is history. So all we know on GBPJPY is that we are going bullish. Now let me show you the real data, real candle, what is real gonna happen this coming week. Now let me go here. Let me show you. Look, we're doing it live, guys. We're doing it live with you. Look at here. Remember what I said. We need to pay attention for multiple time frame to line up with our TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs. Where is the stair heading? Look at here. Boom, 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 boom. You don't see no red stairs coming down. No, sir. Look at the trend. The trend is only going exactly what the dashboard is telling you. Remember, the dashboard is your cheat sheet, guys. If you don't have the dashboard, this business will be very difficult for you to get your entry right. So all we know here is the market is going bullish. So this is my opinion, guys. Market will come back and retest your 100 Fibonacci level one more time. Maybe another 30-40 more pip, and from there, boom, we are gonna be looking for a reversal. Market is gonna do a pullback, retesting your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. Why this level, guys? Look at it on the past. There is a previous multiple time frame. Look at this level here. It has been well respected. Look at here. Touch 1, touch 2, 3, 4, 5, multiple timing here, even here. Look at that. So market is gonna come to that level, and from there, market will continue in a buy trend. So overall, guys, what is GBPJPY is doing? Market, it is bullish. Guys, that's it. All right. So let me give you the next pair, guys. The next pair, I want you to take your time. Really take your time. Look at the chart. Look at your cheat sheet. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer. I will not show you the real data because I really want you to master this trade, this forex trading business. Okay, guys. So we're using multi time frames, so you can analyze the market as a pro. All right. So the next pair that you're gonna be analyzing yourself is going to be EURUSD. Boom. Look at that. Now, some of you are gonna be confused. Look at the dashboard, guys. That's all you need to worry about it. Don't worry about the candles yet. We're gonna do it together. Look at the 4 hours and daily. There is a war. Look at even the weekly. There is a war. All I know, guys, the real trend on EURUSD is in a buy. The daily is selling. The 4 hours is in a buy. There is a confusion in the market. So overall, what the market is doing, when you see, guys, the green folder on the dashboard, that means the market is giving us currently a pullback against the sellers. So EURUSD is selling, except that it's doing a pullback. But now let me show you, because this is very, very complicated. Guys, when you see pairs like that, do not trade it if you don't know, or you can ask for help and I will be more than happy to help you. Now, but let me show you. Look at this. Now we're gonna move on to reality, real candle, real everything. Remember what I said, the market was in a sell position. Why? Okay, here you are. Let me show you real data, because I don't give a damn, guys. I need to show you what real trend. Guys, the trend is the king on this business, guys. Trend is the king. You need to trade with the trend. If the trend is bearish, you need to be selling. If the market is bullish, you need to be in a buy trend. That simple. Look at the TW sniper entry. Look at the stairs, guys. Look at, this is the real trend. The real trend here, it is selling. Look at the daily time frame, letting me know, hey Irving, we are selling. Exact that there is something going on. Look at multiple time frames showed up. This is brand new, guys. This is brand new. So market here is currently doing a small retracement, but this is my understanding for this week. Market is gonna come back and retest this low one more time, another 15 pip here, and market will continue on this pullback. So overall, what I'm seeing here on EURUSD is the market, it is doing a pullback. So pullback still be valid, guys. So market is gonna come back to this low here, will come back and retest your golden Fibonacci level one more time to your 38.2, do another retracement. By then the market will, the week is gonna be over. Look at the RSI, guys. Look, even the RSI is giving you a signal 1. If you make profit already last week going up, you should have had take your money, because the market is coming back, retesting that low. Look at here. So market is getting ready for giving you a second signal, and then boom, everyone is gonna be making money on EURUSD going bullish, because the market was bearish for a long time. Market was bearish since April, and the market came down all the way, and it gave you a brand new signal when in the month of June. So April, May, and June, 2 freaking months the market was in a sell position. Now it's time for the market to take a break and say, you know what, I'll be selling now, let's go ahead and blow people's accounts. All right, so I don't want you to blow your accounts, because you're gonna be mad and you're gonna be like, wah. All right, so let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna show you here is gonna be the most tradable pair in the world. Please, guys, analyze. You do it. I want you to take your time, do it yourself. Look at the dashboard. I'm gonna stay quiet for like 3-5 seconds, and then I'm gonna pitch in, okay? But the pair that I'm gonna give you guys, it is gold. Boom. Look at that. What is the very first thing that you need to look? Guys, if you are writing it down, you need to write this down correctly. What is the very first thing? Look, you got the answer. You have the answer. Look, this is what I always tell traders, guys. Stop spending monies on signal. If someone is teaching you, similar to the way I'm teaching you guys, yes, that is worth your money. But if they're just giving you a signal and not explaining you what's going on, you should not be hiring this signals provider. You should be learning how to trade. Want me to teach you how to trade? Let me know. I'll do it for you. You can join. If you guys want to get a multiple time frame, that is a 40% off on the link on the description. Just type the code that is in the description. I think it's TWE40. That is 40% off, and then you're gonna be up to the hook. The only thing is you need multiple time frame, and I will give you the dashboard for free. Okay, so just a quick gift in there. All right, so somebody say here the daily 4 hours is in a sell position. Good job. Look at the smaller time frame, even 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. Everything here is telling us the market is selling. You ready? You already got your answer. Now we're gonna analyze in real data, because that's what you're here for. You are here to analyze real data. That's all I care. That's all you care. I don't care about back data, because it's not gonna make you money, neither me. All right, so move it on. Look at here. So look at that. What is multiple time frame doing? You already gave me the answer. You said market was selling. What is our TW sniper entry doing? Boom. Look at the stairs, guys. You told me the market was selling. Look at that. Stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Look at the trend. It's only selling, guys. Market here is only selling, guys. So this is my understanding for this week, guys. Market will continue pushing down, coming back and retest this previous multiple time frame one more time. Is selling, guys. Then it's gonna do a small retracement, retesting this previous multiple time frame here one more time, and then we'll continue on that trend. Overall goal, it is selling. Look at the RSI, guys. If you think I'm lying to you, look at the RSI. It just give you a brand new entry here, saying that we are gonna continue selling the market. So the market has a huge potential to keep dropping down to your 25 to your 16 Fibonacci level, and then from there market will do a pullback, which is gonna be probably not even this week, guys. Market is just selling. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard did give you the answer, guys. That's why, guys, it's very, very, very important, guys, to pay attention to the dashboard, because the dashboard here will give you the answer of what you're looking for. So this secret technique will help you to identify your support and resistance trading to the new high, guys. Remember, guys, support and resistance alone are valuable, but when you combine with confirmation analysis, you unlock the power strategy that can help you navigate with the market and with more confidence and precision to taking your trade. So this is just trading multiple time frame, guys. But so far today, what did I give you today? I give you a goal. I told you goal is selling, guys. Look at EURUSD for next week. Next week is gonna do a pullback as a buy trend. GBPJPY, what is GBPJPY is gonna do? It's gonna be selling, guys. It's gonna give you a pullback. What is GBPUSD? Is also gonna be in a buy trend, but then market will do a pullback. So GBP is in a buy trend, guys. I really want to thank everybody, guys, for being here today. Thank you for signing up, giving me a thumbs up, and also for share this video with all the trader guys. And remember, trade safe. Do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. And I will see you guys back on the other side of the channel. Thank you, guys, and God bless you. Okay, peace out. Hasta la vista. Boom.